everyone, you are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headlines first. Train accident in Pali, Rajasthan. 8 coaches of the Suryanagri Express derailed, 3 overturned, many injured. Air traffic control power cut in the Manila flight halted at the airport, thousands of passengers affected. Snowfall in Badrinath, Hemkund Sahib, orange alert of cold wave in Udham Singh Nagar and Haridwar. China pulls out of Asian mixed team championship, will not participate in selection event. Now news in detail. A major accident took place in Pali, Rajasthan. 2 coaches of Bandra Terminus Jodhpur Suryanagri Express train overturned while 8 got derailed. A total of 11 coaches have derailed. A woman has been reported injured in the train who has been admitted to the hospital. There is no information of any casualty yet. The derailment took place between Rajkiabas Bomdara section of the Jodhpur division at 27 hours. The CPRO of Northwestern Railway said that there was no information about any loss of life. A fire broke out in a house in Gujarat, Ahmedabad this morning. A couple and their 8-year-old son died tragically after being burnt alive in the fire. Divisional Fire Officer Om Jadeja said that the couple and their son were sleeping in the bedroom located on the first floor at the time of the fire. The reason for the fire is not yet known. Forensic team is probing the matter. Fire department officials said that the probability of suicide cannot be denied in the case. North India, including the national capital, many have seen sunshine on the first day of the year. But there are the chances of dense fog and the severe cold wave in this week. According to the meteorological department, most of the areas of northwestern India will be under the grip of the Shilahar, while dense fog will remain Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh for the next 2-3 days. Along with some areas of these states, there is a possibility of more cold in the western part of Madhya Pradesh for the next 2 days. Now some international news. A glitch in the air traffic control caused inconvenience to passengers in the Philippines on New Year's. Air flight in and out of the capital Manila were completely stopped. In addition, airlines were also prevented from using the country's airspace for other destinations. Officials say a total of 282 flights were affected at the Manila's Ninoy Aquino International Airport. These flights were either cancelled or redeparted, significantly affecting approximately 56,000 passengers. Apart from inflation, unemployment is also in a bad condition in Pakistan, which is facing several economic crises. The picture and news of the police requirement exam held in the Islamabad are going viral on social media. More than 32,000 youth participated in it. The situation has become such that in the ground of the stadium, the written test had to be taken by sitting on the ground. The constable requirement exam was conducted on Saturday at the sport complex Islamabad. Thousands of youth participated in it. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, Udham Singh Nagar and Haridwar district, the cold may take a more severe test of the people. The meteorological department has predicted a severe cold wave here in the next 24 hours. Orange alert has been issued for this. The maximum temperature in Pantnagar of Udham Singh Nagar reached 13.3 degrees on Sunday, while the minimum temperature was 7.1 degrees. To welcome the New Year, fireworks were seen in the country around the world at midnight. Now on Monday and Tuesday, natural fireworks will be seen in space throughout the night. These fireworks will be caused by the quadrant's meteor shower, which is reaching its peak. This will make the sky shine. Although the process of the meteoroid started from December 16 and will continue till January 16. But due to this peak on the second and third day of the new year, amazing view will be seen in the sky in Nainital. Now entertainment news. James Cameron's film Avatar 2 was also seen on the first day of the year. Ever since its release, Avatar 2 has doing exceptionally well at the box office, and now even after reaching its third week, no film is able to match it. The film did a business of rupees 4.55 crore on Saturday. So according to the initial figure that came on Sunday, its earning have been 16.50 crore. In such a situation, now its total collection has become rupees 333.25 crore. Now sports news. Two-time Commonwealth Games champion Saina Nehwal is among the shooters who will escape the national trial for the Asian Mixed Team Championship to be held in Dubai from February 14 to 19. Former number from Saina was included from the trials along with the Akarshi Kashyap and the Malvika Bansal. The name of all three was shortlisted from the senior selection committee to pick the second women's single player along with two-time Olympic medalist PV Sindhu at the Asian event. That's all for today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.